Hi, welcome to channel-based acupuncture. In this video, I will talk about the basics of Luo Source point combination, and I will give some examples on how you can use channel-based principles with unilateral, bilateral, and crossing treatments. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Let's take a quick look on Luo point and Source point separately. Luo points. There are 15 Luo points, 12 on main channels, plus 1 for conception vessel, CV15, 1 for the governing vessel, GV1, and 1 for the Great Luo, spleen 21. Luo points treat disorders of the interior-exterior related channel, or Zheng Fu. They can also treat imbalances reached by Luo connecting channels, as well as psycho-emotional disorders. In terms of indications, the Luo point is usually in between both channels, treating or having indications for both. Yuan source points. It's where the original qi surfaces. They are the primary points for the yin channel. According to the Ling Shu chapter 1, when the 5 zong are diseased, select the Yuan source points. On yang channels, they are usually in between Shu stream and Jing river. Generally the 4th point, with the exception of the gallbladder, which is the 5th point. According to the classic of difficulties, the Nanjing, when the 6 Fu are diseased, select the Yuan source point. Yuan source point can also be used for diagnosis, when you observe spider veins on it, or redness, or when it's sensitive to palpation. So how do you use Luo source point combination? Usually, you use the Yuan source point in the affected channel and the Luo point in the connecting paired channel. Let me give you an example. If you have an anterior shoulder pain that you diagnose it is to be on the lung channel, you can use lung 9, the source point of the lung channel, and large intestine 6, the Luo point of the large intestine channel. So now I will share with you some examples and configurations I personally use the Luo source point combinations with very good results. Same side, unilateral. As an example, let's say right side low back pain on bladder channel and right side neck pain on small intestine channel. So I could use on the same side bladder 64, kidney 4, and small intestine 4 and heart 5, also on the same side. That's a unilateral same side treatment. Bilateral, in case of a general neck and low back pain, I could use the same point combination in a bilateral configuration. Crossing. I usually cross treatments when I'm looking forward to promote a strong qi movement and cover a broad area in the body. Using a similar example, let's say this patient has a right side low back pain and a left side neck pain. So I would use bladder 64 on the right side, small intestine 4 on the left side, kidney 4 on the left side, and heart 5 on the right side. And we can go on and on. There is a very nice book that if you want to learn more about Luo source combination, it is called the Compendium of Acupuncture and Moxibustion, or the Zhen Chen. It's the volume 5. It is translated by Lorraine Wilcox and has amazing information. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for future videos, and thanks for watching Channel-Based Acupuncture.